How's it going, everybody? As you all know, my people, it's that time of the week. Gonna be trading Nasdaq and USA 30. So it's already that time of the week. It's a Monday, and gonna be taking trades on USA 30 and Nasdaq. I guess you're gonna be seeing first which one is more lucrative to trade. It's either USA 30 or Nasdaq. It'll depend. I can't promise I'll be trading either one, so I'm first gonna check the markets and see which one is gonna be worth trading. Because you all know on Mondays the market doesn't usually give us like proper movements at +4, so not to expect something big from this, but then I guess we just have to see. We just have to see, because you can't judge right before it all happens. We just have to wait for the market to play out in order for us to take those trades. I've been analyzing Nasdaq during the day, and I wasn't taking any technical trades on Nasdaq during the day because I've been busy, but then I've been analyzing Nasdaq and German 30, and I've also been analyzing US 830. So I'm more of a fundamental trader than a technical trader. So I prefer trading the fundamentals rather than technicals. But then, as you can see, my analysis was on point for today. There are many trading opportunities that I could have taken, but I decided not to because I don't want to be trading technicals and end up losing in the markets, because technicals are not really my thing. You understand, guys? Technicals are not really my thing. I've struggled with trading technicals for quite some time now. I've been able to only trade fundamentals, and I can proudly say that I've been winning on the fundamental side. So I'm just gonna pause the video and I'm gonna come back at around 16:29, because right now it's almost 5 minutes to the event, to the New York Stock Exchange open. It opens at 4:30, so I'm gonna come back at 4:29, and I'm gonna be taking some live trades on Nasdaq and USA 30. So I'll be back in 5 minutes, guys. Let me just pause the video right here. So I'm back again, guys. It's really almost 30, because the time is 4:28, so it's almost like a minute or so that is left. So I'm already on my CNBC app, and I just want to show you how this thing works. This is the most proper strategy for trading Nasdaq at 4 or 3. At 4, it is because it usually gets moved to 4 because of the festive season. When the festive season is around, it moves to 4. But then during the course of the year, it is 3:30, which is the New York Stock Exchange open. Basically. And USA 30, it also comes at 4:00, so we're gonna be trading that. It is exactly 16:29. I'm gonna be executing my trades. at 4:31. So I'm not gonna enter exactly at 4:30. I'm just gonna enter 1 minute after 4:30 because I don't want to be caught up in the spikes, because Nasdaq usually spikes up and down at 4:30. So I just want to get a clear direction of where it is going based on the 3 companies: Tesla, Amazon, and Apple. So let's refresh. I'm feeling positive about this trade. I'm feeling positive about today. So it is open. Most of the companies are green. USA 30 is green. Let us enter. Let us wait. Let's actually wait for 16:31 so we can enter. But all the companies are green. That's a clear indication for a buy. Guys. Everything is a buy. Let's go to our market. I'm gonna place 2 positions on Nasdaq, 2 positions on USA 30, 2 positions on USA 30. Let us hold. Everything is a buy. We're buying, guys. See, Nasdaq, Amazon plus 28.31. That's a buy. Tesla plus 25.58. Buy. Clear indication for a buy. USA 30 is a clear indication for a buy. Nasdaq is already moving. See, guys, it is easy to kill the markets at 4:30 and 3:30. It is easy to kill the markets if only you have the right strategy, if only you have the proper strategy. Look at that, guys. Look at that move, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Buy Nasdaq. We're making money all the time, every day, all the time, guys. All the time, every day. I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna come back later. Let me just show you the CNBC app again, just so you can see. This is a beautiful buy. We're gonna hold up until tomorrow, maybe up until the end of today. Everything is a clear buy. Beautiful sniper. Keep telling you guys, these things are easy to kill if you have the right strategy. If you have the proper strategy, you can kill these things. Make sure you join my Telegram channel. Make sure you WhatsApp me if you want to buy some signals from me. I'm more than willing to help anybody. I'm more than willing to help anybody. USA 30 is still a buy. Everything is a buy today, guys. Clean buy. Still green. Goldman Sachs still green. United Health is still green. Home Depot is still green. Everything is green, basically, guys. There's a clear indication for a buy. I'm gonna hold my trades and I'm gonna pause the video and come back later.